Hello, good day everyone. So dito tayo ngayon sa Satori Residences. Tignan natin ngayon yung panibagong newly turnover na project ni DMCI dito sa Pasig Residences. Tara! Proud project of DMCI Homes here in Pasig City. Welcome to Satori Residences. Satori Residences consists of 5 buildings. And this is Hakana, Dana, Rahu, Yasu, and Amani. Ayan, tara, hindi natin yung project. Samahan niyo ako. So we are here at the main entrance or the drop-off of Satori Residences. Yan. Yung main drop-off niya, yung roundabout. That one is going down to parking. Here's the main lobby of the Hakana building. Yan, Hakana. So ito yung main amenity core. So, napakaluwag amenities niya. So, this is a mid-rise na. Mid-rise development siya. Up to 15th floor only. Ayan. So, this one is the pinakamatagal na turnover. Si Amani. Ayan, yun yung kalsada pababa. Ayan. Yan po yung main gate ni Satori Residences. That is F. Pasco Avenue. So yan, ito yung bodega ng bagon ng LRT. This is the main drop-off. Yan, drop-off ni Satori Residences. This is Hakana building. Okay? Yun yung pababa ng parking. Ganda parking. Yan, ganda ng paligid niya guys. Kaya pag nag-blossom na yung mga flowers dito. Yung kiddie pool, facing Hakana. So here's the main swimming pool, the lap pool, no, ni Satori Residences, facing Hakana ulit. Yan, and then may additional swimming pool din banda dito in the basketball court. After this barricade, siguro matapos yung building. Yan, ito sila na turnover by August 2022. Yan, yung swimming pool, lap pool. Ay, hindi tayo pwede lumapit doon kasi may mga nagsiswimming. Kung pwede yung video, Hakana, magandang Hakana. So yan, ito yung part ng lobby. So may mga game area. Yan, yung mga soccer games na ganito. Walang soccer games sa tawag dito. Ano. Yan, yung lobby. And then may jogging path. If you can see the building or the side of the building, may parang line na ganyan. Tawag dyan jogging path. No? It goes all around the project. So if you are a jogging enthusiast, this is a perfect project for you. Yan, tapos ito, the main lobby. Yan, ganda. Ganda. Ito, ganda. Ito naman yung elevator deck niya. Ayan. So per building, no, may 4 elevators, no. Going all the way up from 15th, 16th yung penthouse, and the roof deck 17th. courtyard, penthouse, or the roof deck area. Ito yung main roof deck ni Hakana. So, Lana and Yasu and naman yata dito sa application. There's the side facing Libis, no? Eastwood. I think this is Eastwood area. Yan, Eastwood na yan. That one. You can see Amani. And yung view is facing this, no? Aside from sa amenities, no? There's a factory or industrial area. Pero safe naman yan, safe naman, harmless naman. Yan, ganda ng roof deck, no? Very relaxing. Roof deck ni Hakana. So, ito yung facing ni Amani. Okay. So, sa Amani building, mga bagon ng LRT. So, yan. Yung entrance. O, the drop off. Yan yung LRT. Sa Marikina. Outside. Inside. So, we are here now. 17th floor lang to. Pero feeling ko napakataas, no? Ito, luwag nung roof deck ni Satori. Dito sa, specifically sa Hakana. Yan, this is facing Marcos Highway. Magunulid, 30. It's a private subdivision, no? If your unit is facing back area. And going to Santa Lucia. And ayun yung Ayala Mall Feliz. Yan, LRT. Sa Marikina. Tara, natin sa other side. Yan, ganda ng salot, no? Swerte yung mga nakapili dito. Napakaswerte nila. Napakaganda ng development talaga ng DMCI. So, itong side naman na to, this second building guys is Lana, no? Si Lana, may mga setup ng drying cage yan. Hindi siya open lifted tulad nito. Yan. Si Lana. Yan, facing Santa Lucia, Ayala Feliz. Yan, ginagawa na yung penthouse. No? Penthouse ni Lana. Getting ready for August turnover. Yan, ganda oh, diba? Saka pa, naka-landscape pa yung roof deck mo. Ganda. Ito tayo sa facing amenity side naman. So, ito naman tayo sa facing amenities. So, this is the Lana. Facing amenities ni Lana, no? So, may additional swimming pool siya pa dyan. Tapos, doon yung basketball court. That one. Center. End to end. Tapos may roof deck ka pa na ganito. Function hall yon. Tingnan natin yung function hall. Tara, silipin natin yung function hall. So, ito yung function hall niya guys. Yan, napakaluwag na function hall. Oh, ganda. So, you can celebrate your special occasions here and memorable moments.